Alright guys, we're on the trail.
Wait, I don't know the way.
Oh great, there's only 50 minutes on this. Man, I have too much stuff on here. I keep forgetting to put stuff on Shutterfly. We'll record more when we're split up, just because we'll record when we're split up more. When we're split up, it'll be better probably. So yeah, see you guys then. We've made it to our destination. Wow. I hope I don't want to. Okay. Look at all the goo. Here we have made it to a wonderful destination. It's just here.
Benjamin, don't you go far. I want to be able to see you.
Ooh. Let's just take some pictures of some slime. Let's go get another different view over here, a little bit of a different angle. Wow. Very nice, very nice. Green. Focus. Oh my god. Alright, next place, if there's any. Oh, what? We're going to enter the woods.
Guys, there's a bees killing me.
Interesting, interesting.
And then it just ends up here. Oh darn, that was fun.
Imagine. Alright guys, let's see. Lots of green.
Definitely. And then there's
me.
I thought I heard a cat, but it was just a bird.
I wish. Can I go looking? Yeah. Dedicate this house to the cat. And then we can move on when we find it.
I could definitely tell we're going up there a little bit.
Uh-huh.
If you want me to record you, I will.
Okay. And there is the top. It's very green, guys. Oh my god. Oh, here's the floor. Or not the floor, the ground. Ooh. Where shall we turn?
Up here. This way.
Go that way?
This way seems like it goes more.
Uh-huh.
Somewhere else.
And then we can turn back and go that way. They're behind.
Sometime we're just going to look back and there's not going to be there.
Perhaps. And we're entering sunlight. Oh!
That's a big booty.
Oh, there's like a stick stuck to my shoe.
Wow. I remember this other nature place at this one park. The first time we went once. It was the place where we got front food.
Yeah.
And that's the only reason, like, things are different. They're a different shape.
Mhm. They're good. Oh my god!
Sorry. Oh my god, that butterfly scared me. I'm like getting attacked right now, guys.
I'm not. Alright, so there's some yellow up here. Different than all the green. Look at all the. Oh my god, get off me! That's a weird accent, but yeah. And so let's see if we find any bugs. Not much. That was only a different color we saw for a little bit.
Yeah.
Except for the sky.
A little bit of it.
There's a bench. Oh my gosh. Give me the thumbnail. Dang.
I know what the thumbnail could be.
Huh.
Of, like, you take...
Oh my god!
Sorry.
Oh my god, what was that?
It was Christ.
Oh my god, get out of my ear!
I know, right? So, like, it's a picture of both of us walking. Like, it's a picture that you take a picture of me walking, and then I take a picture of you walking.
Okay, get up there. Walk, walk. Oh, get out of my ear! Okay. Alright, I got it, I think. Here. Tell me if you got it.
I'm pretty sure I was taking pictures. It's hard to tell.
It's not a screenshot.
Yeah.
But still.
Did you get my feet in it?
I hope so. I'm pretty sure, yes.
That's how I was making sure.
Another bench. And we'll show you guys when we're at a different place. Oof. This we found. Wait. Get over here! Hello? He's squishy.
He's squishy.
Yeah.
He's had a lot.
Okay, yeah. Okay,
Fine.
you
Be that way. Come on, little guy. It's alright. Oh.
He's squishy.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
No!
Oh my god. Come here, dude.
What?
Professional.
Hey.
Oh no.
He's like, nope.
Hopper.
Get off of me!
What?
Mosquito.
Can I
Hey.
pet him?
Hey.
Let's be friends.
Dump him.
I hear the ice cream truck, guys.
Will I get a wart?
How?
He's so cute.
I think he feels trapped.
I'll let him go.
Goodbye.
Be free!
Don't die.
Yeah, don't die.
Don't get squished.
There might be more.
I think he's gonna get a wart.
Remember when I had one? Water time. Oh, right. It's splitting up time, sort of, I think. I mean, they're like back there, so
I
technically.
needed a break and there's nowhere to split up, so I was just like, we took phones for a reason. We took this way. Hopefully they realize that.
They're coming.
They're coming. Come on, let's just split up. I bet people can get it up. So then he's not. He's coming.
Perhaps, because he could have been there all day.
Yeah.
He hasn't been enjoying this.
No, he just wants to sit down and hold the wheel.
What has this world come to? Can't even be out here for like an hour without complaining. And it's really not hard at all.
Okay, guys, we just made it back
Hope
to
you
our
guys-
car.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're
So-
dying of thirst.
Yes.
We're looking for water. We're like way behind us, so
Oh wait, no, it's the bathroom.
bye.